kitchen style.
The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for joining Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style for today's cooking segment. Hi guys, I'm so excited. Today we're gonna have a seafood Alfredo. We have our shrimp. I'm gonna add some chicken and herb spices to that linguine. We have onions, mushrooms. I'm gonna make a quick one. So we have 2 jars of creamy Alfredo sauce. We have our garlic and granulated onions. We have our seasoning salt and our linguine noodles. Oh, and we also have a clove of garlic. So this is going to be extremely tasty and I'm so excited. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready from the description box below. And let's start cooking. Okay, so I have brought my water to a boil. I'm going to add some salt to that for my pasta. I'm going to try to get as much flavor as I can into this pasta. Now I'm going to add some Creole seasoning to it. A little garlic powder. A little onion powder. Add 2 herbs and spices. Bouillon cube. And now I'm going to drop my pasta in. Fan off just in case that's too much noise for you. I'm going to add some olive oil to my skillet. So I'm going to lower my heat a little on my pasta and let that cook. To my olive oil, I'm going to add a clove of garlic, and I have that cut in half. I'm going to add my onion chopped and my mushrooms. A little salt, granulated onion powder. Saute these down till they're nice and tender. Remove them, and then I'm going to saute them. Okay, so we've sauteed our mushrooms, garlic, and onions down. So now I'm going to push that aside and start on the shrimp. Okay, for the shrimp, I'm going to add some more olive oil. And once that's heated, add the shrimp and my seasonings. Okay, so now our oil is ready for our shrimp. I'm just going to do a little at a time so we don't get too much juice in there. Add some Creole seasoning to these. gonna add some more olive oil. Alright, so I'm gonna add some more Creole seasoning. Those are pretty good. I'm gonna strain the juice off. I left just a little for flavor. I'm going to add the shrimp back that I removed. Now I'm gonna add the Alfredo sauce right here on the top. These a little. Okay, so I'm assuming now that my pasta is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. Okay, so you want to get all of your juice out of your pasta. So now I'm just going to add my shrimp, my Alfredo sauce on top of my Now you need to take those 2 chunks of garlic that you sauteed in there out so no one will bite down on those chunks of garlic. And now you can add your onions and your sauteed mushrooms. I use portobello, so sometimes those will darken your sauce some, but I just love portobello mushrooms. So now that was basically it. This is a really quick, simple, and delicious Alfredo pasta that you can enjoy after work or on the weekends with your family. It's so nice and creamy and tasty. Your noodles have so much flavor in them, so that's really gonna help with the flavor in your pasta. And that's it. Look how that came out. Nice and creamy. You have your sauce and your mushrooms. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.